So try to do it, and if you got any doubt, so last batch, batch 10 and 9 combination, I took a Linux. So mostly the playlist is look like this one. Okay. This is the 10th batch. Okay, so this is the 10th batch. 13 means 9th batch. I think it is in 9th batch. Okay. Yeah, this is 9th batch only. You can get a few more things, like if anything you feel missing, you want to go with, you are not satisfied with your videos, you can go to these videos, and also you can find Linux admin videos. Okay, these are Linux admin videos. So that time I took a, for administration, I took a specifically 2 days, full days, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, I completed entire administrations. Okay, so like this, 5 days for basics, 2 days for administration. Maximum I covered like logical volume management, yum repositories, swap kind of stuff. Okay, SCP, WinSCP, NFS configuration, FTP configuration also I covered, and few things I unable to cover. Few things I am unable to cover. So definitely I will forward those related things also. Okay. So compulsory go to batch 9 Linux administration, that time 9 and 10 combination. Okay, and list out all the commands into the one single paper. Last time, yesterday we tried to do it, but now we don't have a time today. So we'll try tomorrow if possible. Okay, list out all the commands, so then you will easily remember everything, and keep going to one by again and again. So important commands, repeat it yourself, and go through the questions twice. Question wise you go. That is very easy to recollect it. Okay. Yeah, package management, guys. What is a package management? Means how to install a package. Normally we put a package. How to install a package means service. It can be a service, or it can be a application like that. Okay. So you are installing a package. I want to install a Java, or I want to install a .NET. So .NET we can't install in Linux. Okay. So anyway, so how to install a Python, how to install a Docker, how to install a Git, how to install a Jenkins, how to install MySQL or a MariaDB, right? How to install a NetTools, like that. So how to install a package, and how packages look like. Okay, it's like first how to install a package. Next one is when it is comes to the install, there are a lot of things are there. First of all, information about package. Find kind of stuff. Find what package is there. Install, not installed. Install, not installed. Okay. So install. Availability. Availability of package. Next, installation. Installation of the package. As I said in a heading itself, installing the package, right? Installation is first. Uninstallation. Okay. You are installing, and you can also uninstall the package. You can update the package, right? You can update, like you install a version, next version is released, you can update the package. Okay, these three things are very important. These three things are very important, guys. Install, uninstall, update. Install, uninstallation, and update. These three things are very important in the package. Any package. Java, I want to install. I want to uninstall the Java. I want to update the new version to the Java new version. Update or upgrade also there. Update, upgrade. Upgrade. Okay. So this is your package management. This is your package. So when it is come to the why it is called as a package, then this means entire your application is put it into a single file. Single file only. So how it is look like in generally, okay, most of the packages are RPM packages. Most of the packages in Linux, we have a in Linux package are .rpm packages. So meaning is how it is look like. For example, my R dot version 3.4.2 something hyphen x64 underscore 64 x86 underscore 64 means it's a 64 bit. Okay. EL7 means enterprise 11.7 RPM, like that it will be there. It means either this side or that side, so there is a small difference will be there. Okay, this can be interchanges. First, application, version, architecture, and which type of Linux it is working, and RPM. So this is how it is look like, guys. For a 64, sorry, for 32-bit application, it shows x86 or i3 86 i5 86 or 32-bit it shows. Okay, different ways to present it is a 32-bit. For 64 application x86 underscore 64, meaning is it's Intel application. x86 represent it is Intel. AMD 64 means AMD processor. AMD processor. Or sometimes it is written as 64-bit. Sometimes x64 it is written. It is also sometimes x32. Okay, so usually very less x32. x64 is more frequent. Next, there is a something is like this. You know, initially, of course, I didn't get any training from anyone on a Linux mainly. So very less training, only cloud related, virtualization related, Linux based system. That training is done. Basic training we are not. But later on days, I understand few things. Guys, in a package, when you see no arch, notch means no specific architecture. No architecture. It means it's not a 32-bit, not a 64-bit. No architecture. When you see SRC, SRC means it is nothing but a source code file. You download seriously, you download an application, and it is showing SRC. It is no source code file. You download an ARC. It means like a no architecture. NOARC. Okay. So in Linux, compulsory remember guys, in a Linux, okay, architecture must match. It means 32-bit means 32-bit system, 32-bit application, 64-bit system, 64-bit application. That is compulsory must matches. Okay. So unlike Windows 64-bit machine, 32-bit application matches. But in Linux, it is not like that. Also, versions, enterprise Linux editions also must matches. EL7, EL8, EL8 like that only. So compulsory. Check the EL7, EL8. Enterprise Linux 7. Okay, like that. Okay. So package, yeah, it is like that. This is how the packages look like. Now, how to install, uninstall the packages, managing the packages. Okay, one is RPM. Using RPM command, we can able to install, uninstall the thing. So the first one is, the important first one is RPM. Okay, the second one is yum. Second one is yum. This is the most important package management things. Commands are package management CMDs. We use commands or whatever it is. These are the two mostly used. Last time, in one interview, they asked a DPKG something, right? DPKG like that. So DPKG is a Debian or a Ubuntu related package. Like DNF. This is another one. apt-get is like a Ubuntu. So also find it what is where we use DNF. Okay, DNF is EL7, EL8, Enterprise Linux 8 versions. Red Hat 8, CentOS 8. We use DNF kind of stuff. Okay, apt-get usually Ubuntu systems. DPKG package management. Okay, DPKG package management. These are different package management. For installation, not only RPM and YUM, there's so many ways to install the package applications are there. Okay, there is so many ways to install the package is there. Okay. 6 and 7 I put it, but 5, 6, 4, everything will work. 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Okay, so this is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Red Hat EL I written because Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, this is different operating system. Find out where we use this kind of stuff. Also, you can find other thing, guys. For installing any application or a service kind of stuff package, okay, we use RPMs, yum, make install, local install. There are a lot of things are there. So before that one more is there. .sh script files. Okay. So there are so many ways to install the Linux. Okay. So there is no guarantee like, no, sir, only your SAR said my RPM only or yum only. No, if it is not working, then we can't install it. Don't go like that. Okay. So Linux has so many things. Okay. So Linux has so many things. Understand Linux is always better. Okay. So first of all, we have to start with RPM. Okay. VH. I represent installation. So your app. So my app dot RPM. What are the things in between? Okay. What are the things in between? Okay. This is the extension. I represent install. I represent installation. You represent update. I think for X uninstallation. Uninstall means remove or uninstall is X. Already I forward a PPT, right? So just once go and check it. Okay. So to show you that one, guys, we have a GI motor now. So then I will try to show you. This is the CD-ROM. Okay, you can see this is a CD-ROM packages. So these are all .rpms only. You can see package name EL7 CentOS X64 EX64 RPM. Okay, like you can go through anything. So like you can install the Python like that. You can see these are all different type of packages only. You can select any package, a separate package, and we can able to install it also. So I am trying to recollect what package we should install. FTP. Okay, so this is the package, guys. I want to install. Okay, find out which location it is. you can directly open with the software install. Okay, you can directly open with the software install also, but I want to copy, open the item location. It is in a packages only, but it is taking a lot of time. So again, FTP. Okay, so this is the name. Right click, properties, just for a name purpose only, just copy. Okay, so just for name only, I'm going to install and I will show you how to install it. So look at here, guys.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
You are on mute.
For what you guys are doing since starting with mute only, I took a entire class.
No, sir.
No,
For
sir.
now only.
No.
Now only it is muted.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
For 2-3
Yes, sir.
minutes.
okay, okay. I think some thing attached or I don't know. Okay, no problem. You listen up to here, right? All these things.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is RPM. So look at here. I am going to install RPM -IVH. Okay. The package location, the package name is there. So we have to go to the package. CD to find slash hyphen name. This is the package name. I want to find it. So I want to, it is already in my local, guys. Sometimes it may not be in your local. That is also important. Sometimes you download, sometimes it is in a remote. Okay. So usually you download it in your system and install that. For RPM is also good. Okay. Yeah. I found the first location is this one. That is a good one. So Control C. It is still searching. I have a hardly less time. Okay, yeah. This is the location of that package. So I'm going to that location only. So CD. Actually, I copy paste. Okay. No such a directory. Okay. So PWD, I change complete my directory. Okay. Now tomorrow once again we'll see the paths, guys. Now we don't have a time, so we'll see. Now command is rpm hyphen iv page. That name, the name it is what I will find that name. Okay. Copy. Now it is trying to install. Okay, it is installed already. See, even for you can get information also. It is got installed. Once it is installed, check it FTP working or not. See, this is a FTP showing by. So if anything FTP related services, you can also use it. Now, how to uninstall it? RS package is not installed. Okay, it is removing. This is how to put it. So you can see remove. So it is no such a file or directory. No such a file or directory. This is how to get it. Okay. I have to put it very carefully. This is RPM. Okay. The first thing is guys, hashtag means root. It is showing. Just to know that is a command. Okay. In a lot of places, so we don't know which one is command, which one is not a command. Okay. That's why I'm putting hash. I'm leaving like a hash. Okay. Connected FTP. FTP is working. I put a by to exit from the FTP. Then I am trying to remove it. It is not. It is showing not installed. No problem. So remove that one. This is -e for removing. Just no, I don't want to do upgradation. And again, I type FTP. It is showing like this. This is the way we can able to manage. So what is I install -e for removing? You guys understand how to do it? CD means change directory to home directory. Okay. Just understand how to do it. RPM, because I will go to M. Okay, same go for M also. M actually that yellow dog management something will be there. So you can, if you want, you can find M abbreviation also. M Linux. Okay. So yellow dog updater and modifier. Okay. This is also very powerful tool in the Linux for managing things. You can use M to install, uninstall, and like. Okay, so you can use M install command for installing application like a myapp.el7 like that, something like something. Final RPM. You can install RPM packages, or you can put a M install directly my application, that whatever the application you think. You can put M update application, M uninstall or remove my app. This is for uninstall or remove package. This is for update. This is install. We can understand, right? This is we can understand, right? Update for installation purpose. Okay. And using M also you can do. You can install group installations also. We can do. So this command is group install. For example, development tools or developer tools. So you have to check it once. One more is there, important one. M info my app means what is get information of okay, like installed, not installed, what is like installed, available, like this, upgradable kind of stuff. Okay, so this is, we can install the RPM package using yum command. We can install a package like this instead of liking using, okay, like that. And also you can go with group installations, group moving, group kind of concept is also available. Okay, so these are the main commands to use yum. Yes, there is a story about yum also there. So why we need a yum? Why it is very powerful. What is the configuration? The big story is there. Compulsory, you must know it. Guys, I am not going to create local yum repositories. Remember that one. I'm using all our repositories, and there is a reason why I'm using a CentOS is also there is a reason. Okay. This is my Linux PC. This is my Linux PC system. My Linux system one. Okay, guys, when you are installing an application, so when you are installing any application, so you are installing application, you may got a dotted package, RPM package. Maybe you got an RPM package like that one. Okay, you installed, successfully installed, good. Like I installed a FTP, installed successfully, very good. But sometimes, okay, remember to install any package, we may require request. We may require pre-request, or we can say, or dependencies to, okay, you want to install an application, the application required other applications to be installed first. Okay, so we want to install application, but we may have to install other packages before installing. Meaning is, if that package is required another packages, so it is very difficult to manage. In Linux is not much easy with the Linux, right? Okay, it is look like while someone is typing a command, it is look like a very easy thing, but and as well as a confusing. But while reality check, it is very confusing part. Okay, so if you keep doing it and you understand 1 or 2 points, it's very easy. Okay, so thing is, you want to install a package, there must be some package must be installed before it. To install that packages, there are some more packages should be installed. So for that one, what we are doing is, we copy all packages into a location, create repo data base. We'll create a repository database. Okay, so that is, we will do it. So what it is, guys, I copy all the packages into a folder in my PC. Okay, all the data I copy into a folder in the PC. So that I put a name is package folder, pack folder. Okay, you install a package. package. Okay, so it is not a package, it is like a folder. For example, this is my folder. In this folder I put all the packages, I put it here only. Then I create a database. Okay, then I'm going to create a file in my PC. Okay, something like a mypack.repo file. I create a repo file, .repo file. Okay, repo database, and then create something repo file. Create a some name. Okay, .repo file. Important is .repo file. Okay, that is important here. Okay, create a .repo file and put the details. Put location of pages and repo database. Put the where is your packages are located. Where is your packages are located actually. So location of the packages store. Okay, so in this one I have to mention the packages store. Okay, so I will tell where is the location of these packages in this file. This file I will tell this is the location of packages. This is the location of packages. In here I will mention. That's it. That's it. Now when I put a command, install Butler package. When I put a command is like this. I will put a command like a yum install my application, some application name. Okay, first it will contact a repository file. It contact repository file. In the repository file, the link is there. No, location of the directories, location of the all applications. Okay, so it will download first. In my PC, it will download that database. Just the database only. It will be download. Okay. Next, it will ask, do you want app is available? App is available, and it will tell, do you want to install or not? Yes. Then it download the package to your PC and it start installing. That's the step. The first step is first it will, when you put like this, it go to repo file and check the location, contact the location. First load the database. In the database, your application is there or not. In the database, your application is there or not. If it is there, it will ask, do you want to install or not? If it is there, do you want to install it or not? And you said yes. When you say yes, then you will download. Okay, you will download this application from here to your current location and you install. That will be happen. Cycle is same, little scenarios will be different. Okay, this is the thing will happens. Okay, if you want to see where is this usually repo files are located, I will show you also. No, not here. Here only. ls space slash etc slash yum dot reposd CentOS. These are the .repo files. Location of the .repo files. Here it is .repo files. I'm showing a sample file. Okay, I'm showing a sample file. Okay, this is the repo file. You want to read it, so you put a cat slash etc slash yum dot repos d CentOS base dot repo. See, this is the file. You can see. If you read this file, I will show you. The cat file is started. This is nothing, just some introduction. Base, name of the repository, location of the repository. Actually, hashtag means it is disabled, like a comment. So this is the location. See, HTTP location. GPG check 1 means check this key. When you are downloading, check this key. For updating any applications, download the mirror list like this. Okay, check like this. Okay, this is the location of applications availability. Extras. Can you see enable 0 for this one? For this one, enable 0 is there specifically. Enable 0 means this particular repository package location is disabled, means don't go to search for these links. Don't search these links. Search for these links. Search these links only. So that is the meaning of this repository. So this is a repo file. In this repo file, mention where is your packages located. In the repo file, mention where is the packages located. Guys, this is a first explanation is local. For your system, for local. Think like this. Think like this. I removed that one. Think like this. I have another PC that is also Linux PC only in the network. For every PC in the local, you can't put all the packages, right? For every PC, you can't put all the packages in the local. So what you are doing in this PC, this is the Linux 2 PC, for example. What I'm going to do is just I will create a only repo file. pypack.repo file. Any name you can put it. Any name you can put it. In this one, mention packages are in a Linux 1 system. Packages are available in a Linux 1 system. So remote access by HTTP, FTP, rsync, SCP, NFS, like that. Different type of services. Through network services are there, right? So we can use that services. So I told the packages are located here in this repository. I told packages located in this PC and access with the HTTP or FTP, like that. Okay. Now what I have to do? Very simple command I have to do. First, yum repo list. When I do this command, I will get a database, repo database, repository package related database. Okay, package related database. I will get it first. Okay, I will get this related package database here. Next, when I put a yum install command, yum install some my app kind of stuff. When I put this command, what happens? Yum install, what happens? First it will check this application is available in this database or not. Okay, if it is there, and where it is located, it is located here. I'm changing color, guys, and I will download. Okay, I will download this package to my local PC and I will install. This the process will happen. Same thing. If this machine is in internet, so compulsory you have to use through access internet. By default, by default, your CentOS having these repositories in the PC. So like you can see, these are the different repositories are available. Not only this, so many repositories also you can able to get it. By sample, I'm going to base. So it is also showing the remote location, the server location where the packages are located, where the packages are located. Okay. So what to do? The first thing is, okay, first thing is you have to do yum clean all. Guys, remember these commands, what I'm doing. So compulsory understand. Clean all means remove all the previous database. Yum clean all. It removing all the previous database. Yum repo list. Yum repo list. Okay, guys, tomorrow actually have to leave now. So I will show you one application installation and uninstallation. That's it. Actually, tomorrow I will show you HTTP configuration, FTP, like that. So how much I can able to complete tomorrow full day I will take it. Okay. And mainly tomorrow I will definitely take. Important is I don't have a time now. So otherwise you can also go through videos, which is I went to the administration. Universal formula of installing any application services, like I explained firewalls and everything I explained, how to set up complete setup. You can, if you want, you can go to the videos also, but first complete up to here. Okay. So last batch is also maybe a few things I didn't complete, but I completed most of the things. And tomorrow also I will share some more links. When you have a time, then also you can see like archiving is also very good one. Archiving is very good one. Compression. BZip, gzip. Previous batches I took it. That time we have a lot of time to spend with the people, and also there is, yeah, really time is there. Saturday, Sundays also we spend. Okay. So then this is repo list. What happened in this repo list? When I put a command, it is downloaded that relevant database. That relevant based on my .repo files, connected to the CentOS related CentOS related servers. Okay, the package related servers. Okay, it's connected to package related servers, and it is downloaded their database only. See, primary database group. This is group primary DB. So database is loaded. See, it is also having some memory. See, it is downloaded. Now, which package you want to install? Okay, which package you want to install? Put the command yum info package name, anything. I put a FTP. I will put a FTP only. So yum info FTP. It is searching in my database or anything like it is searching for FTP. FTP is there in the remote server or not. Okay, so we have a GUI mode, that's so we can able to see directly, but usually I don't use that is CD. Inside a CD we have a file. Why it is taking long time, we'll see. It's taking time. Okay, very good. See, when it is showing available packages, available package means package is not installed. Package is not installed. I put a yum info your package name. Package not available package means package is not installed. Okay, not available. Not available means you are giving a package name is wrongly. Wrong package name you are given. The wrong package name is you are given. For example, AB or something you are given. So it is trying to search for that particular package name. Okay. So I'm not giving complete FKD, XYZ kind of stuff. So it is showing no package list. It means the package is actually not there. Actually, no equivalent packages. Sometimes you require a star kind of stuff, question marks like that. Maybe if you give like this, anything starting with the FTP, it will display everything. Example, net-tools. So you can see installed packages. The packages are already installed. So no, not here. Here it is. It is already installed. So no need to install again. Guys, I'm going to install FTP and I'm going to remove it. Don't worry. When you installing, okay. So first of all, it search in a database. Again, it will try to resolve the dependencies. Any dependencies are required to install this particular package. Okay. Any dependent. Sometimes it required dependencies to install the particular package. But why it is taking too much time to resolve the things? And next, one more thing, guys, when you are using this Yum repository and all through internet you are connecting and you are downloading things. Don't use multiple NICs. Don't use multiple NICs. Only single NIC connected to internet, use that one only. Otherwise, system will get confused. Okay. So no dependencies. Dependencies already resolved. Only package is there. If you press yes, it will be installed. Press yes, it is going to be installed. Because small package, no, so that's why it is very easy to do it. So first it is downloading the packages. It is at some problem, so then I'll put yes again. Installed. Yum info FTP. Now it is showing installed. Okay, and already same thing, same like a RPMC. It is running. Okay, FTP command is running because you install command is running. The relevant command is running. Now how to remove it? Update is simple. Update only. Command is update. Okay, update is command is update only. How to remove? Just remove. Okay, so it is first again it is trying to remove FTP application. So it is asking, do you want to remove? Yes. It is erasing. See, earlier it is showing install, now it is showing erasing. So again, it is erasing FTP, no such a file or directory. So this is the things you have to do, guys. How to install the package. That's it. Actually, in generally, I will tell to people like after installation and all, like how to set up, how to start the services. That is entirely I will tell tomorrow. But meanwhile, you can also search if you already I told them Bash 9 videos are there, so you can get a lot of the package kind of stuff. I hope you got it. Okay. So which practical we done?
Yes,
First of all, yum install. No. First is yum info FTP. Next is yum install FTP, and it is asking for yes. Next yum info type FTP. So it is asking just by. Okay. Next yum remove. Yes, FTP, and it is showing some error, something like that. Okay, so something it is showing. Okay, next nothing to do, completed. This is your total package management. Guys are okay? Also verify different type of commands. Like last time 9th batch, I think they got this type of questions. Okay. So what is this? What is this like? So group install and all other things are there. So what we have to do first? That's it.